imagining, y'all. And this is true. I might have been homicidal, I'm not sure. But I'll talk to Mr. Lyman about that later, because I really, I love my husband, but man, you terrible person, you murder. I could just imagine hanging him up there on those antlers. I kept visualizing him hanging up there and me just leaving him there. And so from October to December, it was really manic for me. I hardly ever stayed in the house. I stayed with the cows. All of a sudden, I began this very rich relationship with them. And finally, I could, be with them because I wasn't partaking in their bodies anymore, or the bodies of any other animals. So I would go out there, so when they would lay down, I would lay down. When they would sit, I would sit. When they would walk, I would walk. When they would graze, well, I even grazed with them. I would eat the grass. Why not? I started living my life with the cows. Tommy never saw me. I was naming every cow out there. I was naming every one. My husband was pissed, and I didn't come in until it was almost dark, and of course, I'm not feeding him nothing. In fact, I told him, you can have no more animal products in here. I threw them all out. I said, there's going to be no more animals. This was me. I don't recommend everyone follow my advice. Follow Colleen's advice on this one. But I was a pretty rowdy girl, right? But I didn't, rowdy girl was a cow, right? But then what happened was I kind of took on her persona. And I became very, very intolerant of any animal products at all in my home. I threw them away. My husband would try to sneak them in, I'd throw them out. And I said, if you're going to eat animal products, you're going to eat them out there. You're not bringing them in, because I couldn't stand it. It really hurt my feelings. Anyway,